मन नहीं करने का अच्छे से अपने सामने बोल दी सही मेरे को मारने बस बस आगे बढ़िए।
अरे यहीं से जाएंगे।
हम लोग हट जाएंगे हम लोग हट जाएंगे।
अरे उधर जो नहीं निकलेंगे मैं
हम निकल जाएंगे हम निकल जाएंगे हम हट जाएंगे टेंशन
नहीं उतरेंगे।
वेलकम वेलकम कर रहे हैं।
आगे पीछे आ जाओ, चलो पीछे आ जाओ, आगे पीछे
आ जाओ
पीछे आ जाओ, ये साइड आ जाओ। मैं बोलूँ तो उतरेंगे।
वेलकम तो
उतरने के लिए कर रही हूँ। नहीं उतरेंगे।
वेलकम का फोटो तो चाहिए ना हमें। पीछे है ना एक मिनट पीछे अरे
थोड़ा ये साइड हो जाइए प्लीज प्लीज। ये साइड हो जाइए। इधर 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 प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज। ऊपर मिल जाएगा प्लीज। साइड दे दीजिए। साइड हो दे दीजिए प्लीज।
अरे फुल वेलकम
ऊपर पूरा मिलेगा। ऊपर पूरा नहीं हो पाएगा। मैं बोल नहीं हो पाएगा।
चला भी चला
अरे मैं ऊपर दिलवा रही हूँ। ऊपर दिलवा रही हूँ। ऊपर मैं दिलवा रही हूँ।
चलो 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 चलो
थोड़ा साइड दे दो। प्लीज
एक साइड में रूम
प्लीज आप लोग अपनी सीट ले लीजिएगा। प्लीज टेक योर सीट्स। बस बस बस।
Partnering with them because we have an excellent plastic surgery team, and they are supported by anesthetists, by the OT staff, and of course sometimes us also. They don't need us that much. So I welcome all of
क्लेफ्ट बच्चों के प्रति प्रेम और कमिटमेंट का उत्साह मना रहे हैं। हमारा ये सौभाग्य है कि सन 2014 में श्री कृष्णराज राय स्वयं इन बच्चों से मिले थे और उनके माता पिता से भी मिले थे हमारे एक हॉस्पिटल में जहाँ पे डॉक्टर नितिन मोकल काम करते हैं। उस हॉस्पिटल में हमारा एक इवेंट हुआ था, वो हमारे समक्ष थे। आज हम अपनी संस्था और ऐश्वर्या राय फाउंडेशन का सेलिब्रेशन कर रहे हैं इस डे ऑफ स्माइल्स के लिए। स्माइल ट्रेन का सपोर्ट उन्होंने उस दिन डे ऑफ स्माइल्स में अनाउंस किया था कि ऐश्वर्या राय फाउंडेशन के द्वारा जितने बच्चे इस क्लेफ्ट से पैदा होते हैं, स्माइल ट्रेन संस्था में ट्रीटमेंट उनका होता है, ऐश्वर्या राय फाउंडेशन उसका सहयोग और समर्थन करेगा। आज हम सब इस कमिटमेंट को सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं। आज ये डे ऑफ स्माइल्स के दिन हम एक नई घोषणा करने वाले हैं। स्माइल टॉर्च यानी कि स्माइल ज्योति जो यहाँ सामने रखी है, इस बात का प्रतीक है कि हर एक क्लेफ्ट बच्चे को सामान्य रूप से जीने का अधिकार है। यही अधिकार हर बच्चे को दिलवाने के लिए स्माइल ट्रेन की नई हेल्पलाइन कॉल्ड द नेशनल क्लेफ्ट हेल्पलाइन, जिसका नंबर है 1-800
Dr. Nitin, come. The Smile Train is a beacon of hope that every child who's born with a cleft lip and palate has a right to live a productive life just like you and me. So any child who's born any part of the world leads a normal life. Now I would like to call the team of SRCC to come forward, and Ms. Ashwarya Rai would like to present the torch to the SRCC team, please. Yeah? बेटे चलो आप पीछे आ जाओ बेटा पीछे मैम कम come Mainur come and is your anesthetist team yeah please come ma'am you come forward sorry ma'am you come forward thank you team SRCC. Can I call upon the team from the Neera Annex Hospital, Dr. Bharti and team, please? Can you come forward? Thank you very much, everyone. We are very
everybody. Firstly, thank you so much doctors, all you beautiful children. धन्यवाद आप लोग यहाँ आए हैं. All my Smile Train family, members of the media, you all have also been part of my family on this very special day. Thank you all for being here, for making the 20th of November the birthday of my father, Sri Krishna Raj Rai, the Day of Smiles, celebrating it with us and making it so, so special year after year. God bless you all. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your very good work. And I say all of you here because I include you, members of the media. You are our voices of the good work done here, spreading the awareness, giving us the time, your attention, and hence helping us reach millions of people out there to know enough about Smile Train, the good work that they do, to have us spread the information about cleft lip and this condition, and have the good work that Smile Train is doing, the information about it be known far and wide so that everybody can access it and be able to actually have the fruition of this amazing work done here and the blessing of its services. So thank you so much for being with us here today. It feels wonderful to see all you beautiful children, your smiling faces. बहुत खुशी हो रही है आप लोग को आज यहाँ देखकर, आप लोगों की खूबसूरत मुस्कान देखकर. I'm just so grateful to God and to the wonderful work of you doctors that we are able to witness this blessing, and I'm able to remember my father, his vision, his legacy through the good work that you do today as well. So thank you. Being a mother is the best feeling and is a blessing that a lot of us are so grateful for. But I feel it is hence extremely important for a mother to be empowered with information and knowledge for the betterment of their children at all times throughout their lifetime. So birth difference like cleft can be detected at a very, very early stage, as early as 20 weeks of pregnancy by an ultrasound scan. Smile Train is making an effort to help maximum children get this treatment at a very early stage. Gynecologists such as you who are here with us today and many all over the country are the first point of contact for expecting mothers, and through the network of Smile Train and the awareness that it's creating and the good work that it's doing, this can be, you can have the early diagnosis, there can be intervention, and in case your child has been detected to be born with a cleft, please do take the support of Smile Train and its partner hospitals across India to seek early intervention. This will help your child receive timely treatment and will prevent further complications, and thus enable to live their life to its fullest potential. We also have all the doctors and surgeons who you all just met in the room with us, and I thank you all wholeheartedly. Thank you so much for the blessed work that you do, for your commitment, for all your hard work. It's so nice to see you come up again and say, well, 2 hospitals. You you actually dedicate your services at. That's just, thank you. And that's a small word, so thank you so much. You're helping a lot of children and being blessed every minute for the good work that you do. 6 lakh surgeries by Smile Train. Yeah, 600,000. That's the good work that we're getting to today also celebrate. And it is a very, very remarkable milestone for the good work that they're doing in our country. God bless the impact it has created in so many children's lives and their families' lives. So God bless you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now the unique initiative of the Smile Torch. I think it's very, very thoughtful, very, very, it's very significant because you have the Smile Torch actually symbolizing the work done by Smile Train across the country. And with this unique initiative of the Smile Torch traveling across the country, state by state, to create awareness about clefts and its treatment, that is commendable and has to be lauded for sure. While they're doing their bit to spread smiles all over the country, let us also come together and send children with clefts all our love and wishes every minute that we get the opportunity here through you. Spread the word amongst expectant mothers and the families to ensure children born with clefts are able to lead healthy and productive lives. Let us encourage each other to come together and give all these beautiful children a chance at a very, very fully, completely productive life that every child who grows into every adult present here deserves to have in this blessing called life. God bless you all my love, and yet again thank you, and yet again that thank you is not enough. So thank you so much. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am, for supporting Smile Train. And through all our friends in media, I would like to request that through you, we would want to send a message that the cleft is treatable and we have the free treatment is available on our Smile. I would like to thank the entire team of SRCC, especially Mr. Rupesh Kumar, Ankit, Ritesh, Dr. Adani for support, And we look forward to coming back again and again and doing some kind of an activity with you people. Thank you so much for doing this for us. And Dr. Nitin Mokal, thank you very much for supporting us. And most importantly, our children who have traveled all the way and they are here, and their families who support Smile Train. And every time we say we have some activity, they just come without any hesitation. And our friends from media, I'll request you again, please spread the message from Miss Aishwarya Rai Bachchan that the cleft is treatable, and please bring these children to our hospital for the free treatment. Thank you all. a short notice. Thank you. We love you.
खाली बसा जरा, खाली बसून घ्या. फोटो काढते खाली वापरून घ्या, जरा खाली वापरून घ्या.
ऐश्वर्या मैम टेबल हटाओ, टेबल हटाओ, टेबल हटाओ मैडम, टेबल. हेलो तीनों का ही चाहिए. बंद करो जरा. मैम आराध्या मैडम आपके लेफ्ट में
जरा बसून घ्या जरा.
excuse me, hello. आराध्या